Hi, this is Mrs. Bulkley. I just wanted to talk to you guys today about the fact that I am going to be showing you a video on how to use the area model in order to practice our multiplication. We've been working on it for a really long time. So here's a video on it. I'm going to go ahead and show you my screen. It's a little tricky here. And hopefully it'll work. Okay, so how to multiply using the area model. Here we go. So step one, of course, is to solve the problem by breaking it up into place value. So we want to use that expanded form that we've worked on since the beginning of the year. 23 is going to break up into something and something. What will it be? Well, in our case, we're going to make a chart, and it's going to be 20 and 3 and 40 and 5. And then to solve the problem, we want to multiply the numbers in a grid fashion, which is a little tricky. Remember when we use our multiplication chart, where we go from the outside, where they meet is where you put the answer, where you find the answer in the multiplication chart. It's the same thing with this. So here, 40 times 20 is 800. That's the first part. And remember, we're going to do the basic fact, 4 times 2, and then put the 2 zeros back. That's pretty important. And then step 3, we're going to do 20 times 5. That's where they meet in the grid fashion there. 2 times 5 is 10, and we put 1 zero back, making 100. You can also think of 20 nickels in a dollar. And the next step, step 4, you're going to be multiplying that 3 times 40. 3 times 4 is our basic fact, which is 12. Put that zero back, so you've got 120. And then step 5, that last one is just that 3 times 5 where they meet, and that's a 15. So then that last step is to add all those products together. So you have to put them together, going from top to bottom on your paper. Remember to line it up on the right. Don't forget that. Nice and straight. And then with that, you'll get 800 plus 100, which we know is 900, plus 120, which is 1,020, plus the 15, which makes 1,035. The answer to the problem, 23 times 45, can be simple. You just have to follow those steps and break those numbers down. And thank you so much for watching, boys and girls.